We are all taught from a young age how to take care of our bodies. We learn how to brush our teeth to prevent cavities, to eat healthy, and what steps to take if we injure ourselves. So much emphasis is placed on our physical health, but rarely are we taught how to take care of our mental health. Emotions such as stress, anxiety, and joy are all a normal part of life, but sometimes stress, worry, and frustration start to take up too much of our mental energy. Many schools are reporting high levels of stress, anxiety, and depression among students and have started looking for ways to teach students how to manage these feelings. Similar to the first aid we use if we injure ourselves, Nasco has developed a first aid kit focused on student mental health to address this need. Nasco's First Aid Kit for Mental Health contains a variety of easy-to-remember, discrete exercises that students can do anytime, anywhere. The exercises utilize a range of techniques to meet each individual student's needs, from grounding and redirecting to reducing anxiety and emotional regulation. This kit is designed to help students feel empowered instead of overwhelmed. This kit includes small, easily accessible items to demonstrate how everyday items can be used to help reduce stress and anxiety, no matter where the students are. Specifically designed for elementary students, explains the exercises through a superhero analogy and focuses on how the exercises can unlock their superpowers, making it easier to manage their feelings. One example from the kit is our scented eraser. We sometimes use the power of smell to help bring us back to a calming place. Some people use things like lotions and essential oils, but it could even be something like remembering the smell of freshly baked cookies you love. This scented eraser will not only help students find their calming place, they can also use it as a fidget since it's a kneadable eraser. If you have any questions about the First Aid Kit for student mental health or would like to discuss custom kits for your class, please feel free to reach out to me. My name is Christina Ashworth, and you'll see my contact information at the bottom of the screen.